Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com. How modern machines are helping in rail track repairs. Rail track design and construction have significantly improved since its invention to date. What used to be a manual labor approach involving good number of laborers can now be executed by few men using the required machine or machines. That is the case of modern rail tracks when it comes to design and construction as well as repairs. Modern railways are easier to operate and maintain due to the availability of reliable and durable equipment and machines used in the carrying out quick repairs, modification, and redesigns on existing railways. Before now, working on the rail track is a tedious job and could take weeks, months, or even years to accomplish due to the necessity for the track to maintain the necessary strength to withstand continuous compressive force from the trains running on it daily. When the strength is not enough, it could create rooms for the rail track, leading to possible train accidents. Due to this very important reason, the railway management find it necessary to employ experts in executing the track repairs and maintenance, which is cost-intensive and time-consuming since strength must be guaranteed. To overcome delays and uncertainties associated with the maintenance, the engineers have considered it safe and better to use high-level machines in executing such tasks. These machines ensure the needed strength and safety are guaranteed and the task delivered as fast as possible. This approach is necessary since the modern railways are becoming excessively busy due to increased demand in transportation. Hence, railways need to be available for use at any given time. Therefore, quick way of carrying of the maintenance will be a welcome development. One of these simple and modern ways is the use of the hydraulic machine vehicle in carrying out replacement operation for the supporting woods beneath the rail track.
For watching, please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Please follow and like engineeringall.com in all social media.